So now the process is successfully completed and Aushadha is ready. See, it is almost like writing a software in a silicon. Here, the software which can move the hardware is written on fire. Because fire is the bridge between the elements which does not have form and which has form. See, earth and water has form. Air and ether does not have form. Fire is the bridge for this both. So the software which can move the hardware can be brought only through the fire into the physical matter. So now the Aushadha is ready. It will be sent to all of you. Apply it on a betel leaf, a little bit, maybe 3-4 gram, and husband 1 leaf, wife 1 leaf. Both of you take. You will literally conceive Subramanya in you. Strictly avoid non-vegetarian food after you take this betel leaf till the delivery of the baby. As I said, in this 3 birthmark, any one will be there. And the child, to show he carries Subramanya's energy, and Subramanya is not only the Karuvali, the inheritor in the form of son, he is also inheritor in the form of disciple, Guruvali also. Understand, Subramanya not only is a son for Mahadeva, he is disciple also for Mahadeva, because Mahadeva gave Sarvajnanotra Agama to Subramanya. So on this auspicious space, on this auspicious energy and space of Putrakameshti Yajna, I am also declaring the first batch of my putras and pautris, Sautraadhigaris, who inherit me in Guruvali Sampradaya, means the tradition of master and disciple. So the first batch is ready and the Shivalingas are ready. The energizing of the Shivalinga is done. So for each of the Adinams, the first batch of these kids, these Uttaradhigaris, will be in charge of each of the Adinams. So, Aushadha is ready. As I said, the first batch of Uttaradhigaris are ready. The Linga energizing process is complete. Today onwards, my special training to these Uttaradhigaris formally begins. More to join. Now only it is double-digit number. Soon it will become 444 digit. If you want your kids, to be Uttaradhigaris, my inheritors, come as early as possible, become Adinavasi. Let's build their life together. Let's build their life together. So now, this Aushadha, you can apply on the betel leaf. It should not be touched by anybody else other than the person who is consuming. The husband and wife, both of you can come, touch, don't take too much. You will have twins then. Maybe 3-4 gram. Take it in one finger and apply on the betel leaf and swallow. Even if you are watching on one way, 100% it will be sure success. Understand? In Hindu tradition, sex and giving birth is separated. All the best births are not out of sex, away from sex. Name all the best Pandavas, Meenakshi, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna. I can go on and on and on. A long list. So understand, only when you experience and see the results, you will understand. What I am talking is a science, subjective science, not some stupid theories, ideas, concepts, theologies. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.